go. All right, so this little is kind of like a little mini collection. It is called Say Cheese Wild, all right? So Adventureland or the Wild Animal Park or both. Actually, you even have the little Yeti. So the Yeti is the Yeti part of Tomorrowland? Because it's kind of, I mean, the Yeti is more specific to Disneyland. There's no Yeti in the, there's no, what's that ride called? What's the mountain called at Disneyland? Okay, you guys will help me. You'll help me. Hi, Debbie Hogshead. Nice to see you. Wanda said, I love the bundles, but I just don't use everything. Yeah, and Wanda, then you're better off. Then you are better off than just buying a la carte, right? All right, so let's talk about all of this stuff. None of these are in bundles. So everything is a la carte. So you can get all of these things a la carte on the website, my website. Starting out with the 12 by 12 collection kit. So the 12 by 12 collection kit, this one is a little bit different. The minis. There's 6 12 by 12 sheets plus the cardstock sticker. All right. So the collection kit, there's the cardstock sticker. We just kind of saw that a minute ago. And then you have the papers. Look at like the savannah. And then a little giraffe. Oh, look at giraffe, hippo. Zebra, I don't know if that's a leopard or cheetah. I don't know. And then I don't know what that one is either. I think that one's an elephant. Anyhow, lots of Animal Kingdom. Yes, Animal Kingdom. This guy, this reminds me like a little, not quite the Tiki Room, but more little animals there. And this one I think more reminds me of the Tiki Room. So does this one, reminds me of the Tiki Room too. I love the Tiki Room. It's one of my very favorite places at Disneyland, Disney World. I was so excited because it's the exact same thing at Disneyland and Disney World. That fun kind of jungle paper, a little orange on the back. And then the cut-aparts. So the cut-aparts are a mixture of 3x4s and 4x6s. So very fun, very fun. All right. That is the collection kit. So you can buy just the collection kit. You can buy just the sticker sheet, the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. You can purchase just the foam stickers. Look how cute those are. Look at all the little animals. They're so cute. Even a little meerkat. Little Jeep. I love that. The binoculars with the little kind of savannah. That Yeti is so fun. I'm still, oh, Matterhorn. Thank you guys. Yes, Matterhorn. Disney World, Disney Florida does not have a Matterhorn. Oh, Rhino. There we go. That makes sense, Marilee. So fun little foam stickers there. You can buy the decorative brads a la carte. You can buy the bits and pieces a la carte. All of this. And all the little lands, it's all a la carte. I've just done it all a la carte. I didn't do it in a bundle. So let's look at this. All the little fun animals. Look at little giraffe, zebra, some tags. Oh my goodness. I don't, bison. Oh my gosh, it's going to come to me. Laughing hyena. Wow. Who knew I'd have to name all these animals tonight? Bones, skeleton. That would be a lion, but look how cute they are. The artwork is, they're just so fun. The little rhino. So lots of pieces here, 55 pieces in the bits and pieces. Lots of great things to work with. Titles, little safari Jeep, our little hippo. Look at the elephant. Anyhow, the artwork is just so good. So good. So those are the bits and pieces. And then we have the, hang on, do I have one of those here? I don't believe I do. Shoot, I just wanted to be able to put this. I'm just going to shove these in here. Well, gently, I will gently place these in here. How about that? I will gently place these in here. I think Karen is always very good at reminding us of this. While I would just put these little guys back in here quickly. If you are watching and you have not hit the thumbs up button, please do so. It's such an easy way to support me. It's an easy way to support any content creator, anyone that you're watching. If you are there more than 5 seconds, really just take one more second out of your day and hit the thumbs up. And that goes for, you know, if you're on Twitter or Threads or Instagram or Pinterest, I don't know, whatever you are. It's always just really beneficial to whoever you're watching or following or, yeah. Okay, so the last thing in, oh my goodness, look at the little parrots. Like I said, the tiki room is my favorite. My favorite. Oh, guess what? For the first time ever in my life, and I've probably been to Disneyland 24 times. First time ever in my life, I had a Dole Whip when we were in Florida Disney. I had a Dole Whip. I am no longer a Dole Whip virgin. All right. So last up, we're going to look at the washi that's part of Say Cheese Wild. Okay. So this, look at So Wild, and it has all little different skins of the animals. That sounds odd, doesn't it? Little floral, tropical, little pattern that reminds you of Tiki Room, kind of that Adventureland, I guess. A little wood grain and that fun little forest looking, not forest, jungle looking pattern. All right, so that is Say Cheese Wild. All of that is available a la carte. So you can get it all. You can get one piece. You can get just the stickers. You can get whatever your little heart desires.